We all love a good chicken sandwich, but most of the sandwiches we get from outside are loaded with calories and unhealthy ingredients. So today I'm going to show you my version of chicken sandwich, which will be healthy, delicious and easy to make. So let's start. Let's start by marinating our chicken. For that I'm adding salt, garlic powder, some paprika, some onion powder, a little black pepper and some lemon juice. Now massage it nicely and color should change. For the sauce, I'm taking some plain Greek yogurt. Now I'm gonna add 2 to 3 garlic cloves, 1/4 bell pepper and some cilantro or coriander. I will add salt to taste and black pepper. Let's blend this now. Just see how creamy this looks. Once the pan is hot, just add your breast.
Take a bread of your choice and toast it.
Now let's assemble the sandwich. Look at that crispy texture. Let's start by putting our sauce, a lot of it.
Now add the vegetables.
Sandwich is ready. Look at that. I'm really excited to taste the sandwich. Let's quickly do it. This is so good. The chicken is so nicely cooked and the coriander flavor in the sauce is going so well with the sandwich. This was very easy, so you should definitely try it and let me know how you like it. And have this with some salad. This will be a perfect meal for you. Please hit the subscribe button if you want to see more of such healthy recipes and give this video a thumbs up if you like this video.